Alright, this is Angus. We're going to try a wipeout bird on water here. Angus, heel. 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 Angus, sit. Get your mark. Here. Good. Good. Get your mark. Alright, guns up. Sit. Here. 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 No, here. Easy. Good. Good. Okay, get your mark. Here. Angus. This is Angus. I'll send this to Jason to see if I'm doing this right. Attaboy! Attaboy! Okay, this is Angus. I think it's like, I don't have my phone. It's June 4th. Heel, heel, come here, heel. Angus, heel. No, come on. Angus, heel. No, heel. Angus, here. Sit. Give. No, heel. Get your mark. Heel. Get your mark. Here, here. Good, good. Get your mark. Angus! Okay, so we'll see if he goes past the wipeout bird to the long mark. I usually run jet first, but I want to see, because Jason said this is pretty hard, so we'll find out if he keeps going. Alright, made it past it. Alright, Jason, I'll send this to you and you can critique it, put it on YouTube. Alright, looks like he went right to it. We got a little crosswind. You can see the ripples. And we're at the Telco Pond on the farm. Attaboy! Good dog. Good boy. This is Angus, and hopefully the wipeout bird. All stand out.